Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Acorns Invest, full guide step by step clearly. To begin budgeting with Acorns Invest, first, download the Acorns app from your device's app store. Once downloaded, open the app and create your account by entering your email address and password. Next, provide some basic personal information, such as your name and date of birth. After that, you'll need to link a bank account to allow Acorns to access funds for investing. Follow the prompts to securely enter your bank account details. Once your bank account is linked, it's time to set up your roundup preferences. Acorns offers a feature that rounds up your purchases to the next dollar and invests the spare change. Decide whether you want to enable roundups on all transactions or only on certain types of purchases. Now, select your investment portfolio based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Acorns offers different portfolios ranging from conservative to aggressive. After choosing your portfolio, review your selections and confirm your investment strategy. You can also set up recurring investments to regularly contribute to your account. To do this, navigate to the recurring investment section and select the amount and frequency. Next, take advantage of the educational resources within the app. Acorns provides various articles and videos about budgeting and investing to help you build financial literacy. Keep track of your spending by using the expense tracking feature, which categorizes your transactions. Monitor your investment performance through the app. Acorns displays detailed insights into how your portfolio is doing over time. Finally, revisit your budget and investment strategy regularly to ensure they align with your financial goals. Make adjustments as necessary, especially after major life changes or financial milestones. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.